Good day everyone and welcome to weekly Forex recap session. I'm recording this video because our software is not working. I don't know why. We submitted a ticket to Crowdcast to see what's going on, so I'm recording this myself and will present you with weekly trading ideas. Right now we'll be straight to the point and I hope that you will enjoy setups as you usually do. Before we start, have in mind that Forex, CFD and Forex are leveraged products and can result in losses that exceed your deposits. So please ensure that you fully understand the risk involved before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Here, trading rules, as always guys, always the same trading rules. I haven't changed anything. So basically, you can always watch previous recordings and see how we trade. Regarding results, the only thing that I am able to show you now is my FX book. Basically, results for the previous week were very positive, but I haven't compiled the full results, so I will share here with you my FX book statistics. So this is basically Camarilla MACD MTF that I'm running, 260% in profit, 65% drawdown. And you can see that drawdown actually happened from the profit, not from the equity. And it's still positive. I closed the CAD trade today, so it's more than 36,000. So you can see that the curve is positive and it's still going up. So basically, very positive, and I hope that it will definitely stay positive. But regarding previous week results, I haven't compiled it, but definitely I think and I'm sure that we were profitable because last week was very good. Of course, if you want to go fully with complete trading ideas and analysis, you can sign up for ECS Live on our website. So it's easy guys, you just need to go to Elliott CurrenSea. Okay, here our website, and basically you can always go with our wait, I will show you right now. So you can always try to sign up for our services, go with SWOT, Camarilla MACD, or enjoy fully managed trading ideas on our Telegram channel, so you can sign up, of course, if you're interested. Now, this webinar is, of course, free for all. Enjoy it, and I hope that we will have profitable week. So let's start with today's setups. Euro dollar is in downtrend, positional sell 1.1240, stop loss 1.1270, TP 1.1190. Alternative buy 1.1190, stop loss 1.1160, TP 1.1240. Here you can see my screen. So this is the euro dollar. Wait, this is actually this is it. I applied red levels also, so I'm taking trades with red levels. Very accurate, very strong on intraday basis, and you can see that we have head and shoulders here. I expect if the price gets here, it will be rejected, and I expect a rejection at least in a form of some bearish pattern. So 1240, 1250 is definitely the zone for taking short entries. From this, we might see some counter trend trade opportunities. Okay, now the GBP dollar, downtrend, positional sell 1.2470, stop 2520, TP 2320, alternative buy 2320, stop 2290, TP 2390. On my 4-hour MTF, I'm running also with you can see that I'm already in a trade. I'm running here with Wiz tool, proprietary ECS Wiz tool, and the MTF 4-hour that I will also publish very soon. But you can see here clear trading idea based on Camarilla MACD MTF on Wiz tool. Of course, a lot of coding has been done here, and you can see this is a reversal candle, bearish Marubozu candle, reversal, bang. If we go down, I guess we might see 23.96 eventually here, but have in mind this is 4-hour trading opportunity and I'm in a trade, so maybe you want to join. Okay, now let's go with the Australian dollar. The Australian dollar, positional buy 0.7230, stop 0.7190, TP 72.80, sell 72.80, stop 73.10, TP 72.30. Okay, let's see what I have to show on the Australian dollar yen and Australian dollar. Sorry, the Australian dollar is definitely, you will see now, in a sort of uptrend. So if the price gets here, watch for reversal pattern, potentially even from this spot, because it's a red level, we might see a push to the upside. Here is the sell, but primarily this could be a nice buy opportunity. Okay, next one is the dollar CAD, 31.60, sell, 31.90, stop, 30.80 TP, buy, 30.80, stop, 30.50 TP, 31.60. The dollar CAD. Okay, the dollar CAD, you see it's in now big retracement, but expect if the price gets here to be sold. It's also this level here with weekly H5 makes a confluence. Watch for selling opportunities here. Watch for eventual buying opportunities if the price retests weekly H3 level here. So this is the dollar CAD. Now the Bitcoin, sell 1150, stop 11150 TP, 9820, buy 9820, stop 9720 TP, 1150. The Bitcoin is also having some sort of I can say a range here. This looks like a range to me. Definitely the Bitcoin dollar, you see it's not showing any signs of strength or weakness. So I'm going with red levels, of course. Red levels, very, very accurate. Here is the gold uptrend, 1422, stop 1417, TP 1455, sell 1455, stop 1460, TP 1422. And finally, the gold is here. Okay, we will go with the 1 hour, of course, and this trade could actually happen soon. Just give me a few seconds. This is it. The price is now supported, but I think that if you see, there are some bullish opportunities here, and I think that gold might go up indeed, but it needs to break this 1430 zone. So if you want to join, maybe gold is trying to push to the upside, so we will see. Okay guys, I guess that this is it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Definitely a lot of nice trading opportunities, and I hope that you will enjoy it. Thanks, and talk to you soon guys. Cheers, trade safe.